Welcome to our channel, where we empower doulas like you with the tools and strategies to grow your practice and make a profound impact on families during one of the most transformative times of their lives. Today, we're diving into doula marketing strategies that will help you connect with more families who need your support. First, it's crucial to understand your audience. African American women are seeking doulas who not only provide exceptional care, but also resonate with their cultural and personal values. Tailoring your message to this demographic involves empathetic communication, cultural competence, and a deep understanding of their unique needs and preferences. Social media platforms are powerful tools for connecting with potential clients. Share your journey, the stories of the families you've supported, and educational content that addresses common concerns and questions. Instagram stories, Facebook Live sessions, and LinkedIn articles can significantly enhance your visibility and credibility. Content is king in the digital world. Create valuable content that educates and empowers your audience. From blog posts on prenatal care to YouTube videos discussing postpartum recovery, your knowledge can help demystify the birth process and position you as a trusted authority. Build a strong network by collaborating with healthcare professionals, birthing centers, and local businesses. Attend community events, offer workshops, and engage in speaking opportunities to share your expertise and connect with potential clients. Your personal brand is your signature in the doula world. Share your story, why you became a doula, and what makes your approach unique. Authentic storytelling can create a powerful emotional connection with prospective clients. Empowering families during childbirth is more than a profession, it's a calling. By leveraging these marketing strategies, you can extend your reach, connect with more families, and make a lasting impact. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on growing your doula practice. Together, let's make every birth experience as positive and supported as possible.